Hello again, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, and in this video I'm going to share with you how teachers enroll students into their BandLab for Education classroom. Don't forget, BandLab for Education only works using the Chrome browser. Let's get started. Type in edu.bandlab.com. Click Start as a Student. Your students will be invited to join the classroom by inputting a 7-digit code. To find the code for your classroom, go to your classroom, go to Add Student, and the code will appear. All students need to do is input this 7-digit code and click Join. If your students have a Google account and they are already logged in, they can simply click the Continue with Google box. That will take them directly to the classroom. If not, they must input their name, email and password. If they have a school email, that can be used. If not, create an imaginary one. For example, claudiat@example.com. I would strongly advise you to use the same password for all pupils. This makes future logins quicker and easier. Make sure that they make a note of these details and ensure you take a copy too. Click Sign Up. Students will then see the welcome screen. Delete the username and replace it with their own name as they did before. In this example, Claudia T, all lowercase with no capital letters or spaces. They can add a photo later if you want them to. Click Continue. They will now be inside the classroom, and if you have created any assignments, they can now listen to them and read what they have to do. They can listen to the assignments by pressing any of the play buttons. If they have access to YouTube, they can play a video tutorial. If you haven't created any assignments yet, they can explore personal projects. Here they can listen to all the different styles of music and begin to create some musical ideas. Click on the Personal Projects folder with the note icon on in the top right hand corner. Click on Mix Editor. Click on Browse Loops. There are over 60 different styles of music to listen to and choose from. By clicking on the play button, they can listen to the demo song in each genre. When they find one they like, they can make a note of it by clicking on the feather at the top right corner and writing in the name of it. Click on the infinite loop to go back to the genres. Give your students plenty of time to listen to as many as they can. Once your students have decided which loop pack they prefer, they can start exploring the sounds within them. By clicking on the picture, all the loops are revealed. Now it's a case of looking down and listening to all of the sounds, and if they like them, dragging them in to start creating some music.